What's happening, guys? Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. A little bit on the square body here, just trying to put in an hour or two here on this thing, so it doesn't go real fast here, this assembly line here on this truck. Anyways, I've got the one side here. That's starting to look pretty good in here, see? Starting to look good. I like the painted fender wells. Everybody else likes it. I guess it's nicer than black. Just you guys got to be careful now not to scratch it, because not easy to touch it up, So as you can see, I still got lots to get yet. Headers, I got to do exhaust and, whatever. There's still a lot to go yet on this thing. Probably won't even be completely ready by the end of the summer even. But it'll be running and stuff and moving, but there's lots to do, lots to buy and stuff like that. So takes some time, even this stuff here. I had to get the headlight adjusters. I'm going to look for some trim rings. These ones are guy could spend time and polish them. There's a few dings in some of them. That's the problem. Every time you put something on, your guy's spending time trying to get it cleaned up or whatever. And I'm assuming the ones you can buy aftermarket, if they make them, they're probably not very good. I don't know. So far everything I've put on this thing, these aftermarket panels suck. They really suck badly. So this is not really aligned here yet. I'm not quite done here. I still got some fiddling around to do, get all the gaps good. I'm just trying to get the front end sort of square. And as you can see here, like, look at the way this body line goes here. See how it's kind of, and then this curves in here. See how the fender kind of has this weird, it's not, a guy would have had to grind this off here and re-weld it. And I mean, not just that, this is bulged out here, see? I mean, the fender has to go in a bit, but you can see the curve here is not the same as the door. Just all these stupid things, man, I tell you. It's hard to do anything quality with these parts, I'll tell you what. It's pretty frustrating, but it's getting there. It's definitely a fight all the way. Had to grind the bottom down here to get it to fit. Had to open up some holes, all that kind of stuff. I still got to get the proper bolts for here with the big washers and stuff like that. But yeah, it looks pretty good when it's all painted like that. That's for sure. So yeah, and then on the bottom of this door there's a big gap. Just terrible, these parts. So apparently next time I do one of these, I'm gonna buy some of those parts from AMD Auto Metal Direct and see what kind of difference I'm gonna get from there, because these are all Keystone. They're all the good parts too. They're apparently the good ones. But yeah, they're not very good, that's for sure. So guy's still struggling here. So this one here, I'm just trying to get this fender lined up, and then once I know it's going to work, I got the kind of door sort of position where I need it. And this fender is a lot better on this side, on the curve here. Just a slight difference, but not as bad. But see, the gap is more consistent too. It's more, yeah, that other fender, man, I'll tell you, that's not very good. Like I say, nothing's bolted here. I'm just trying to get things figured out here. These things suck too to get lined up. So, yeah. But the doors are, it is what it is, man. But see, the gap here is wider. Then it gets skinny, and then see the door here. See how it's wider. And then it gets skinny. Like, it doesn't even follow the roof line. These doors are just definitely not the best. And again, they were pricey. I think I paid like $480 for these doors. And now they're more, apparently, because things have been going up. So, yeah. I kept the original ones. They need a little bit of welding on the bottom, but they're actually quite nice, my original ones. I did have them back on here at one point to see, and they do fit real good in this opening. even with the aftermarket rockers. A little bit on the bottom, but they fit really good on the frame. But that's the way she goes, guys. Nothing like OEM parts, but I guess that's a thing of the past. But it looks pretty smart under here. Now I got to get the steering column. That's why I haven't done the wheel well here. I still got to get the fender off and finish putting everything on the firewall here before I get carried away with the inner fender, because then it's hard to work in here after. So I want to get my wiring, my steering column, you know, the brake booster, the wipers and all that, get that all situated. And then all the guys got left is, you know, some plumbing and the rad and stuff like that, some fuel lines and whatever. I mean, there'll be some more stuff after, but you got to get the big stuff out of the way here first. So there you have it, just a little bit of a clip here on what's going on with the square body. But a lot of guys don't like the orange on the grill, but I'm really liking it. I still got to get the headlight doors. Got to get those painted too. Get that on there. But it's coming together, surely but slowly here. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Hey guys, just a reminder, even if you hate this channel, and it does suck, share, like, and subscribe. Alright then.